Have you ever imagined being an Ant-Man who can enter the microscopic world with ease? This can help you. Hi, I'm Dr. Martin. I'm so delighted to introduce our product to all of you here, the TinyScopeCAM. A microscope that can easily fit into your pocket. It can magnify the images to up to 1,000 times, with real-life transmission of 13 megapixel images. You can take it everywhere you go. Just plug it in. Bring it close to what you want to observe. You can see whatever you want to see. For example, an insect, a leaf, or use it in dark field illumination mode so that you can see a drop of lake water. Of course, you can use it as a traditional microscope, but you're free from adjusting focus ring. Just plug in and play. Every single detail on the slides is visible. Besides, the lens of TinyScopeCAM can eliminate chromatic aberration. All these features give you a brand new experience of exploring the microscopic world. We hope TinyScopeCAM will satisfy your desires for exploration and further guide you into the microscopic world.
Life is made up of moments. Moments of love, adventure, passion. These events create a montage of your life. We designed a bag to journey with you through these moments. Meet Montage, an elegantly designed, eco-friendly bag that meets all your needs. Just like life, the details are what matter most, which is why we spent months designing a bag equally elegant and functional that you can bring to work and play. Let's start with the material used, premium polished cork, which is as soft and resilient as leather. We've chosen cork because it provides a quality, lightweight, durable, and organic solution that you can feel good about using. Cork is ethical and sustainable. The methods for harvesting don't hurt the trees. In fact, it is a necessary part of the tree's development. Next, let's get into the interior of the bag. We designed Montage to help keep your belongings organized, safe, and accessible. We know your life is ever-changing, so we gave Montage the flexibility to keep up. Transform the bag just by pulling the straps. With 3 adjustable ways to carry your bag, comfort is ensured in any occasion, any day, and any outfit. We like to think of Montage as your companion to help you thrive. Come along on our journey and be one of the first to enjoy Montage by backing us today, only on Kickstarter.
Smartphones and laptops make work portable, but being efficient on a small screen is difficult. Constantly switching between different applications is a pain. Having a secondary monitor is great, but current choices are bulky, so they rarely come along with you. Wouldn't it be great if there was a slim, super portable solution? Now there is. Introducing AirTab, and ultra-light monitor, perfect for using anywhere. Slimmer than an iPad Pro, it easily fits into any bag. Wherever you go, AirTab is your ever-ready companion. It's a smart solution that instantly boosts your productivity. A magnetic cover superbly safeguards the AirTab. It can be set up in seconds and used in 3 different ways. Horizontal mode is used for screen sharing and running multiple apps. Rotate to vertical mode for browsing long documents, coding, and more. Or flip it to the creation mode. It's a more flexible angle for creative activities, such as painting or editing pictures. You can even use AirTab as a touchscreen. It's compatible with many devices and super easy to use. Just plug and play. The monitor can connect to your smartphone, so you can enjoy a bigger screen for working on the go, gaming, or watching movies. You can also easily connect it to Nintendo Switch for immersive gaming on the big screen. 2 USB Type-C ports were built for fast data transfer and charging. With an 80-watt input charging capability, AirTab can supply power and extend the screen for your tablet, laptop, or smartphones with just one Type-C cable, eliminating the need to carry an additional battery pack. AirTab's solid, all-metal frame design is durable and stylish and matches modern devices. Our team is experienced in the monitor industry since 2009, and we are devoted to creating stylish, high-quality, and affordable products for modern consumers. Pre-order now on Kickstarter to ensure you get the best deal.
These are RYZE-UPS. RYZE-UPS are the ultimate home and travel pull-up bar. Sturdy enough to handle any workout and compact enough to carry or store wherever life takes you. Unlike other bulky bars that fall off, don't fit, and cause damage, RYZE-UPS lock onto your door frame, eliminate damage, fit nearly any door, and travel anywhere. RYZE-UPS make pull-ups easy. Pull-ups are the king of upper body exercises. From back to biceps to core, pull-ups are the best exercise for engaging, toning, and building your entire upper body. But pull-ups can be hard. You need a bar, which means you need to have a gym pass or install some bulky equipment in your home. Not anymore. RYZE-UPS make pull-ups easy by being adjustable, simple, and strong. RYZE-UPS are adjustable. They adapt to your life. Roughly the size of a book, you can take or store them anywhere. With multiple height settings, they'll fit your molding, whether it's 2 inches or 6 inches. Not only that, but our patent-pending clamp has 150 clicks per handle to ensure the perfect fit no matter how thick or skinny your door frames are. And we're not done yet. RYZE-UPS have rotating handles that lock in 4 different positions, so you can do a variety of pull-ups. This allows you to target specific muscles and get big results whether you're at home or on the road. RYZE-UPS are simple. Set them up in seconds and take them down even quicker. No installation, no screws, no marks. Just a killer workout on the go. RYZE-UPS are strong, so you can get strong. They're made from a fiber-infused high-grade polymer, and the zip clamp allows RYZE-UPS to lock securely onto your door, so you're not going anywhere but up. They're also padded with durable foam and rubber to ensure protection to your door frame. RYZE-UPS get results. Whether you're traveling, at home, vacationing, switching apartments, or staying with your in-laws, you can rise up with RYZE-UPS.
Hi, Ethan here, founder of JFlex. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our second fitness product. Our first one, Cross Grips, was in the top 1% of all Kickstarter campaigns. But we listened to your feedback and created RYZE-UPS to make pull-ups even easier. We've already sourced our tooling, but we need your help as we move into manufacturing. So please back us and let's rise up.
Introducing VIE FIT2, the next evolution of the world's softest custom-fit, true wireless earphones.
Built from soft silicone, VIE FIT2 conforms to your ear's unique shape, allowing for free and comfortable movement. With VIE FIT2, no matter where you are, you can be transported to your own world, a place you'll always fit in. And since VIE FIT2 custom fits your ears perfectly, you never have to worry about them falling out or loosening up. VIE FIT2 brings everything you love about true wireless earphones, but with enhanced technology to make your listening experience truly special. It uses brand new Qualcomm true wireless technology that allows for improved pairing capabilities. Who would want shaky or unbalanced connectivity? VIE FIT2 was built specifically to make pairing as easy as standing, delivering a stronger, faster, and more reliable connection. You can't keep this all to yourself though. VIE FIT2 is meant to be used by everyone. VIE FIT2 doesn't just improve on connectivity, it's ultra lightweight, so staying active and comfortable are one and the same. You don't want to get tangled up in his business, but it looks like he may need these. VIE FIT2's charging case has been revamped to be slimmer and sleeker, making it that much easier to travel with. But big things come in small packages. VIE FIT2 uses its power efficiently, giving you 6 hours of playback time. If you start to break a sweat, don't worry, it's IPX5 waterproof. Go wild. And when you combine all of this with its smaller, more portable, and more powerful case, you'll get 33 total hours of battery life. So you can keep active all day long. And when you have to make a call, VIE FIT2 offers crystal clear audio, combined with active noise cancellation.
Hey, I'm gonna need those back.
In the past, VIE FIT ran a successful crowdfunding campaign to bring us the world's softest, custom-fitting, true wireless earphones. The people loved it. So they're back again, because the world is ready for the next generation.
Back us now, and you'll be the first to receive the next evolution of true wireless earbuds. This is your world, where you belong, where you fit in.